This is a Holiday Coro, item number 26, 3-channel RGB controller with DMX protocol. It is 12 volts, 6 amps total, or 2 amps per channel. This is our bare lead model, and it features 12 volts input. These are pre-stripped and tinned wires. It also has DMX input with a ground. Now you can split this signal. You can come in and then go out, so you can basically tap a line even though it doesn't have what would seem to be an input. It has on the output side red, blue, green as you would expect, and a common positive. Now on mounting, it can be mounted in a variety of different ways. You can mount it with screws. You can see that there are 2 mounting locations here. See the specs on our website for the spacing. You can use zip ties through the holes. We also sell small 4-inch zip ties for that purpose. You can use hot glue and double-sided tape, and some people have even used zip ties to zip tie them around items. Now, waterproofing. This controller is a non-dip switch model, which means it can be fully waterproof to the point that it is fully submergible to IP66. Now, it comes shipped as IP54. We can waterproof it, or you can follow the instructions on our website of how to IP66 or IP68 waterproof this controller for a fairly low cost. Now, as I mentioned, you will need to be able to set the address on this because it does not have dip switches. You'll need to do that with a programming cable. We can see that on our website here on this page. We have 2 programmer options. You can either use a PC-based USB cable, or you can use a handheld programmer. Now, that same software and programmer also allows you to set one of the 22 different modes that allow this controller to operate when it is not receiving a DMX signal. So that allows you to output a signal or none at all when it is not receiving DMX. Now, it also allows you to slipstream addresses, so you can change an address of a controller on the line with all the other controllers connected, just like you could with an LOR controller. This makes a great controller for a decentralized DMX display where you're often putting these controllers directly in your element. That is the Holiday Coro, item number 26, DMX controller.